This is the wife's bike, Rusty. She's had a long and tumultuous life. She was originally sold out of a bike shop in Beverly Hills, California in 1979. She had later fallen on hard times and was found in an alley in a bad part of Venice, California in 2008. She was in a sad state of affairs. She had lost many of her original parts, and corrosion from the salt air had taken its toll. She was missing spokes, and her wheels were way out of true. Her brakes were suggestive at best. The shifter was a non sequitur. But the wife loved her. I made attempts to fix her, but she, being a feisty, angry old girl, bit me every time I tried. Ow! I attempted to convince the wife to get rid of her, but she refused. I realized the only way the three of us could live under the same roof was for me to completely overhaul her. The wife was nervous at first, but I assured her she would be happy with the results. I did some detective work and found the bike is a 1979 women's varsity sport. I got the manufacture date of May 1979 from the first two digits of the serial number on the frame, E and Q. I also got the assembly date of June 25, 1979 from the badge. Badges on late 70s Schwinns are stamped with a 3-digit day of year followed by a 1-digit year. Based on the Ashtabula forks and the mag-style crank, I deduced it was a Varsity. It originally had drop bars, narrow road bike seat, and rat trap pedals out of the factory. It did not have fenders. When I first saw the bike, it had a no-name front wheel, middleweight bars, mountain bike brake levers, grips, and seat. I found late 70s Suburban handlebars, brake levers, grips, seat, and pedals on eBay. I also found a Schwinn-approved Varsity front wheel and original late 60s, early 70s walled fenders. I did a full overhaul on the bike, replacing the tires, tubes, rim strips, brake cables, brake pads, and shifter cables. It cost a fortune, but the results were amazing. I was surprised how comfortable and smooth it was. I knew the wife would be happy. The one complaint was the riding position. I moved the seat forward, which helped, but it didn't completely solve it. I replaced the Varsity stem with a Breeze stem, raising the handlebars, and all was good. The reason we're working on it today is because the tires have gone bad. If you look closely, you can see the misshapen tire. Not safe at any speed. We'll change the tires and maybe do a little cleanup as well. Okay, let's get started. Somebody got new shoes.
You realize we're filming, right? Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original once. Take care.